Engine 3, Engine 13, Engine 22, Heavy Rescue, Battalion 3, 3410, Battalion 1, Battalion 2, Rescue 11. Fire, Structure, Entrapment. Mount Tabor Church Road.
Further on your fire structure entrapment on Tabor Church Road, Cross Street, Dallas, Eckworth Highway. They are advising 2 people are inside the home.
Engine 3, to Paulding, start measure.
10-4, Engine 3. Cobb is called in, reference a Cobb unit passing by. They're not on scene. Advising 2 people in the house, fully engulfed.
Engine 3 to Paulding.
Engine 3.
Is Engine 8 committed to a call?
Negative, I can notify Engine 8.
This is going to be Engine 8's second to attach them to the call.
10-4.
Keep other units continuing.
10-4, Engine 3. Paulding, Engine 3. Engine 8 is showing busy at this time.
Clear.
We got a long time before help's here without Engine 8. Get ready to take the driveway.
Engine 12. Medical call.
Go up the driveway.
2425 Gold Mine Road.
Driveway? Yep. Is this our driveway?
Oh, yes.
Oh. Take it.
7 previously committed. Dollar General 2425 Gold Mine Road.
Engine 3 to Paulding. Go.
Right seat Gold South Parkway. Engine 3, go ahead with your traffic.
Looks like we got a 2-story residence on a basement with heavy fire showing from the Alpha. We're going to be pulling a 2.5. Be looking for searchable space. Second engine, I need a hydrant. We're down a long driveway. Par just pull the 2.5 and help Casey. I'm going to do a walk around. Do we know if somebody's in there? Back bedroom. Hey, come here. Follow me. Come with me. Yeah, you, homeowner. Come this way. Show me where they're at. Come here. Right, that room right there that's on fire. That window. All right.
Metro 4 on Tech 1, we're in the area station.
Right there where the ladder is. Engine 3 to all units. We have report of entrapment. Bravo Charlie Corner. We're VESing. We have to use that ladder part. That little shitty ladder. Make sure you got all your shit on right, Park. Take a breath. Get that ladder set up. All right, Bob. Just leaning against it. All right, get in there. I'm coming in right behind you. Yes. To the 4. alright?
Engine 3 to Battalion 3.
What?
One you have. Hold to the inside the structure. Just the officer and firefighter are going to the rear for search.
Hold on.
Get the kinks out of the hose.
Alright, give it. Pull it up. Engine 3 with the urgent. I've got a victim. I need manpower on the Charlie side.
Hey!
Come on.
Good. No, go to the back side of the structure.
We're big. Get on the bed, push into me. Yep, fly.
Hey! Get on this hose and hit it!
Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Hold on. Come here! I need help! I need help! Get up here! I know it's burning.
Victim on the Bravo side. Bravo side.
Big,
Push right here.
big. Knock the fire down, Casey.
What?
Knock the fire down.
Need manpower. Bravo side. Bravo side.
I'm seeing now.
Ready, fire? One more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Casey, go get the line.
We need a line to the Bravo side. Bravo side.
Right, come on.
Hey, Bravo side.
Angry, we need seven firefighters. I need help on Bravo side.
Hey, go.
1,
Hey, Giant,
2,
Bravo side.
3. 1, 2, 3. Hey, come on, I got my legs right here.
We need more hose.
Help me.
That's it, good.
Fine. You good? Come on, now. Help me
We
down.
need seven firefighters. I need help on Bravo side.
That's the only one I can find. God damn. Let's get her away from this house.
Come here, Paulding. We got a victim. On the Bravo side.
Help me drag. Come on, car, drag. Alright, that's good. Fire! Fire! Come here. We gotta get a good breath. We're gonna go back in there, okay? That's a...
I'm at 35.
What?
I'm at 35.
Take a breath.
Now Tabor Command, Paulding. Be advised, CPR on progress on the victim. Metro is patient loaded.
10-4, Mount Tabor Church Command.
Metro 8 4 deploying fire.
4.
We're going to be transporting one emergent to Wellstar Paulding and one firefighter on board.
Tabor 804.